Good morning, sir. I'm Balaji Pentala, Balaji Seeds Crop Sciences Private Limited, Hyderabad. Based on your hometown, sir, Amravati के पास हमारा चिरकुलूरपेटा है. We started business in 2017 in seed sector. In 2019 YSRCP government के हिसाब से हम वहाँ पे निकल के हैदराबाद चले गए. Right now we are very trustable. We build in Andhra Pradesh very trustable government, and we are very happy to come back with you. There we have to work in Andhra Pradesh. And आपको इंस्पिरेशन पे हमारा यूथ आंध्र प्रदेश का यूथ बहुत आज तेजी चलने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ईज ऑफ बिजनेस इसका साथ में ट्रस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस आंध्र प्रदेश. ईज ऑफ बिजनेस, स्पीड ऑफ बिजनेस विद के साथ ट्रस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस इन आंध्र प्रदेश राइट नाउ इट गोइंग. एंड वी वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, जो पूरा सीड जो है आंध्र प्रदेश में ही प्रोड्यूस हो रही, like maize, world-wise maize is producing from Andhra Pradesh, and jute seed also from here, and in West Bengal is the most world biggest industries in jute seed. Yarn भी यहाँ पे तैयार होता है. Right now 88 mills here, but right now almost 20 mills are closed in West Bengal. We would like to basically Guntur people. 100% production is Guntur, from Guntur. Jute seed is producing there and selling in West Bengal and Bangladesh. We are exporting. We are exporting a major exporter of Bangladesh, sir. And 3 countries we are exporting from Hyderabad and Guntur. So, आप जूट का यहाँ के गवर्नमेंट के साथ में और आईसीसी को भी हम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, जूट सीड में जो एक्सपोर्ट हो रही है, लोकल में सेल हो रही है, उसका सर्टिफिकेशन जो होता है, एपीएसएससी है हमारा सर्टिफिकेशन एजेंसी होता है गुंटूर में. वहां पे जो ओरिजिनल कार्ड जो आता है वो यहाँ पे डुप्लीकेट ज्यादा बन रहे सर. बेसिकली एंड बॉर्डर्स लाइक बनगांव, हिली एंड अदर थिंग्स. आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू सर, प्लीज कंसर्न ऑफिसर को बोल के वो कम करने के लिए देखिए, क्योंकि हम आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट को भी बहुत लॉस भी हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पे फार्मर को भी बहुत लॉस हो रहे हैं उसके बारे में.
Absolutely. Just on a side note, between 19 to 24, though there was a different government and there were challenges, whatever policies that we've done between 14 and 19 and the companies that actually ended up getting grounded between 14 and 19, while they didn't have tailwind, the government couldn't do anything to them because we followed due process. So even our capital city, when they tried to, change the capital city, they couldn't do it because the agreements were clear, was legally binding. So whatever we do will stand the test of time and politics. And on the agriculture bit, one thing that we're really passionate about, and we're working with a very large company, it will be unfair to name before we actually make the official announcement. But like the Indian School of Business you have seen in Hyderabad, we are going to build Indian School of Agriculture, where end-to-end research is going to happen, and we are going to create world-class agriculture commodities research happening from the great state of Andhra Pradesh. So I think that's a great opportunity. In terms of the certificates and all, please share a note. We'll definitely work with the government. Now we have a very proactive government here, so it'll become a lot easier to talk to the Honorable CM and get the ball rolling. Thank you.
I know the discussions can go on, but